Alright. Alright, we're going to replace this shingle right here. I'm going to take a picture before we get started. Alright. Alright. Lift it up just to find the nail. Good up. You can see how brittle this roof is. The grains are just falling off. I'm barely lifting the shingle just to get to the nail. Uh-oh. More. Oh. Nails are hitting. Okay. All right. Remove the shingle. I'm going to take an overview shot. All right. Put the shingle back. All right. I'm going to use the snake jack that Allstate prefers you to use. Don't work that good on these steep roofs, I know that. So we're gonna try again. You can hear the grains falling off the roof while I'm nailing. This is how brittle this roof is. So alright. like I said, you could hear the grains falling off the roof when I bang. And you can see the grains falling off. So, this is the shingle that we replaced. You can see the damage. Look at this. Wow. Damage. And then the grain is so bad, by using a snake jack, it caused damage. It caused damage right there by the impact. So there's widespread wind damage on all slopes. The roof is an older roof. It's brittle, and the video showed that it's non-repairable. So this should be an easy call for the adjuster to make for a full roof replacement. All right.